Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be very quick, so I just wanted to pop in and say that this is a simple look that you can just achieve with a flat brush and some green pressed glitter eyeshadow. And that's basically all I use, plus the black lipstick and my powder foundation and concealer. Yeah, not much to it. I'll let you see the rest and I'll see you at the end. Okay, bye. Yeah, um, I have to do this quickly because it's already 8:21. I was talking with my friend for a bit and then I had to go eat dinner and just time went by. I was gonna do a little bit more, but the topic is green light, so I don't even think this is gonna like show much. It's, just like feel photogenic. Yeah, I liked the eyebrows. You can't really tell, but I can tell, and I like it. It's it's like a green shimmer. I don't know. I like how the light reflects on it. I just think it's really pretty. Mm, yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna put highlight, but all the glitter stuff that I use is from this palette. It's just so pretty. I'm gonna get a whatever brush. I'm gonna try like this one, Rich Girl. Because it's not too silver and it's not too bold, and it's just enough to get some highlight, some bounce of light. What a heat. That's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you tomorrow. I'll catch you the next day. Bye.